Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our brand new 2022 CFmoto U1000. This thing is so loaded, you're not going to believe it. It's got the front end 2500 winch. We've got front and rear receivers, four-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, the roof, LED headlights, 3-passenger with a fold-down rear middle if you're only running 2. It's got a ton of cup holders. It's got a work and a normal transmission, LED or 12-volt power takeoff, USB power takeoff, fuel injection, 1000 cc, twin cylinder, dump bed. Check this out. Really easy to use with a tailgate. This thing is only $12,849 MSRP. Add the freight prep tax and license on top of that, but this thing is loaded. It's got some alloy rims with Stag tires. Come on by, make your utility MUV dreams come true for just $12,849 with this gorgeous CFmoto. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out at the web, www.contracostaps.com. Automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.